students, 9th group. Let me come back with my video lesson for you, dear students. That is Unit 3, class 9th group. Get ready with your textbook, prose. Before going to start the lesson, My Beginnings by Kapil Dev, read the extract from Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. This is your textbook, open, sit with a pencil in your hand and all attachment paper and notes. When I was in the 7th standard, Dorabji Adolji Jimmy was the headmaster. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method. Discipline means what? Rules and regulation, time to time every work should be ready. At home also, outside also, everywhere. That is discipline. Wherever you will put your leg, you have to follow the rules and regulation. You can't make your own rules in India. If you go to states, United States, in America, you can't make your own rules and regulation. You have to follow American Constitution. Here in India, you have to follow Indian Constitution. But to save yourself, you should know the law and order. That's also important. More than half percentage in India, the people, they are educated, they don't know what is law and order. You should know law and order. It's very important. You are a class 9th student. You can't break the law anywhere in India. Then you will be in trouble. If you don't break the law will help you, support you in a different manners. So these all things are very important in your life. Follow page 46, your textbook. He had made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for boys of the upper standard. I dislike both. Who is telling this one? Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji, this is autobiography of Gandhiji. So Gandhiji is telling, I dislike both. I don't dislike all these things. Why sports is important, upper class. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness. Always he wanted to make him aloof, alone. No, I don't want to involve myself in the group of cricket or football or any tournament, etc., etc. Which I know, this was wrong. I then had the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today I know that physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. Was Gandhiji right in his opinion? If yes, why? If not, why? No, Gandhiji was not right with this opinion because sports is very, very important activity for all the students, even from junior to senior, any upgraded classes. Not only in India and abroad. Should sports and games be made compulsory in schools and colleges? Discuss. Yes, it should be. Physical education nowadays, you know, all boards, it gives one importance. Written, our time also, written and practical, now also like that. So it is important. Now read on. Keep on reading. Start reading. My Beginnings, Kapil Dev. Page 47, para 1. Looking back at my life means Kapil Dev's life. He is telling the story. The storyteller is Kapil Dev because it is his autobiography. So viewers, readers, follow it correctly and sensitively and seriously read on. Looking back at my life, I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. In our beginning of the life, we don't know actually what will be afterwards. I will be as per my graph, I will be high level or medium level or low level. Nobody knows. So your hard work, you're in that particular situation, right decision, your right choice according to your life status, it is correct. If you are bad and hopeless in mathematics, you are thinking you will become a scientist, you will become a mathematician, you will become become an engineer. How could it be possible? Without physics, chemistry, math, you can become an engineer. So right situation, right choice is important. So looking back at my life, I have come to the conclusion that our beginnings never know our ends. For me, means for Kapil Dev, it all started in Chandigarh, a small town nestling in the foothills of the Himalayas. I was born on a cold winter morning. My mother, means Kapil Dev's mother, who is a simple woman, could not read the time, but she knew it was early in the morning. She could not be able to read the time. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. She could not read. She could understand early morning means approx this timing, average. The date 6 January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day. Now, 1959, 6 January, very important date because that the very same day Kapil Dev has taken bath, and in very situation that very day his cousin also taken bath. Around the same time, same day, same date of birth, same time, and with the same name. Here also Kapil, there also Kapil. I grew up among 6 other brothers and sisters, all older than me, means all are seniors than Kapil Dev. One except one sister who was a year younger, means 1 year younger than Kapil Dev. Other brothers all seniors. Part 2. My mother always regales me with tales of my naughty behavior. My mother, means Kapil Dev's mother, always said, do you know what you have done? This notorious work you have done. Why did you do this notorious activity? Why you become naughty in this way? Why you don't sit time to time properly? You always jump, you always run, always do some mistakes and some mischievous tasks. Why? So several times mother told Kapil Dev some story of his notorious works, his naughtiness, naughty attitude, naughty behavior. She claims, means Kapil Dev's mother demanded, she never managed to control me. I can't manage you, my dear son. I don't know why you do all these notorious activities. But I do admit that right from the very beginning, I found it hard to sit still. Continuously sitting, continuously standing, continuously listening, sitting silently. These things Kapil never done from his childhood. He was in a different way. Different type of, you may say, intelligence. All people are intelligent in this world. Different intelligence. In a classroom when I teach, I see multiple intelligences and I have to teach through the multiple intelligences. All of you are intelligent, but different intelligences are there. That's remarkable. So what happened? I was very curious. Means Kapil Dev was very curious, interested to know. Very much interested to know. And it was my ambition to travel around the world and drive a Mercedes Benz. That time he was nothing. But his ambition, no, I will travel the world from here to there, country to country, and I will try Mercedes Benz. God has been kind to me, and both my wishes have been fulfilled. When he became the great cricketer, these 2 wishes not a matter to Kapil. But at that time, 25 years ago, these dreams seemed like castles in the air, palaces, Raj Mahal, where? In the wind, in the air, nothing dream. But dream became successful in the life of Kapil Dev. God is truly blessed him. When he became the great cricketer, his 2 dreams successful. One traveling to country, another one driving the Mercedes Benz. Now check your comprehension. Kapil says the date 6 January 1959 1959 was thankfully recorded. Why does he feel so? Number 1, your answer will be paragraph 1. I am reading last end. The date 6 January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day. You will get all the attachment. Please start making the notes. I will guide you. You will make the note because lots of reference works will come after Deepavali. Before that, be mentally prepared. Textual work should be completed. I will take this unit test based on textual exercises and question answers. Afterwards, everything will be so many things. Something unseen also. I will give some unseen passages also. Get ready through WhatsApp. So, what happened? Date 6 January 1959 was thankfully recorded because a cousin of mine was born on the same day, around the same time and with the same name. That's why the date 6 January 1959 was thankfully recorded. Next one. Kapil says, but at that time these dreams seemed like castles in the air. What were these dreams? I have already told you 2 dreams. Traveling country to country and driving Mercedes Benz. Were these dreams realized? Yes, why not? But at that time, 25 years ago, these dreams seemed castles in the air. But when he became renowned personality, he was successful, and owing to his success, he fulfilled his 2 dreams. What did Kapil's mother always regale him with? My mother means Kapil's mother. Paragraph 2. Kapil's mother always regales him with different stories of his naughty behavior. Kapil uses an idiomatic expression, castles in the air. What does this mean? To make a house in the air, wind. Okay? That's all today lesson. So, I will come back again with this continued lesson. In between, read the textbook, read about Kapil Dev and start collection different his lifelong scorings in the cricket team. His achievement, great achievement because he brought World Cup in cricket for India. So he was a great maestro. He was a great leader in Indian cricket team. Collect different information about Kapil Dev. It will be good for you. Note down in your notebook and paste one Kapil Dev's excellent photo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. You can collect and paste it. Whenever you will come for correction, I will check it. Thank you very much. 9th. God bless you.